Hi guys, this is Carol. Welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Hi guys, this is Carol. I'm over here feeling very sheepish because earlier on today I did an unboxing of the small, medium, large, extra large boxes. So far I have 3 of the 4 uploaded, and then I was looking for the video for the small mystery box to upload it and realized for whatever reason the footage did not get taped. So I already did the unboxing, but I just wanted to come back and show you exactly what was in it. And I'm quite sure when you get one, it's probably going to be different than the one I have. But this is what came in it. So the first thing I took out was the tips. The extra long coffin tips, C-curve straight coffin. 480 tips. Oh, yeah. I love this shape. Ooh, yo. So this came in a small box. I think this was called the Budget Babes. As you can see, this was the Budget Babes. So it came with, there was no monomer in here. There is, none of that type of stuff. So we got the coffin tips. It came with baby blue essential from the essential line. It came with a Perry Twinkle. I believe this one came in it. And it came with this one. Milky White, Grape Seed, and Space Cowgirl from the essential line. Okay? And then you got, you had a glosset and the duos that came with it. Right? If you have something else in your box, let me know. But this is the Budget Babe box. Oh, can I make sure? Whoops. I'm dropping stuff here, guys. So, now that I've uploaded the other videos, let me tell you some of the stuff that you did not get. There was no, that was different than the ones we got last year. I didn't have a small box last year. I had a large and an extra large last year. This year I went ahead and did a medium and the small, in addition to the large and the extra large. None of the boxes did I get a Kolinsky brush. There was no art liner brushes. There was no, of course, no electronics in any of the box. Well, one of the electronics came with one of these, right? The extra large box came with this one. But this is my one from last year. So you got there was no Kolinsky brushes, there was no monomers, there was no liner brushes, there was no nail files or hand files, there was no buffers. Some of the fun stuff that we got in the last one. I still got a lot of products in mine. Of course, I bought 4 boxes, so I did get a lot of products, okay? But I felt like all of the boxes were fair. And this year the extra large box was $4.99. The year before we paid $600. So technically we got electronics. I got a lamp, I got the flashlight, and I got the e-file for $100 extra. So considering that I paid $4.99 this year, guys, you're never gonna hear me complain. I thought it was an amazing deal. All right, so if this helps, the powders, the tips, 2 boxes of these, and a glosset, And I believe there was something else, but like I said, I had already unboxed it, expecting to have the footage, and I don't know what happened to it. If I find it, I will still put it up. If I find it, I will still put it up. I'm not quite sure, guys, if these 3 was part of the small one. It could have been. But like I said, I lost the footage, so don't get me to tell you no lies. Hopefully somebody else will post one. But really, it was a budget deal. And then when I checked the website for the prices of the stuff that was in there, you definitely got, for the $49 that it cost, you definitely got your money's worth. Okay, so if that helps, it helps. You might just feel like, hey, I want to be part of the mystery box, purchasing a mystery box. I don't have a whole lot of money, but I want to be part of the excitement that everybody's having. I think this was a great value for the excitement that goes along with shopping a mystery box. All right, you guys let me know if it's exciting to you. I don't know, but to hear me tell the story, it was plenty exciting for me because I actually had 4 boxes. All right, talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Once again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please share with a friend.